How could you say that?
Are you offended? Are you offended by that?
I've never interviewed someone so disrespectful. You know what? Interview's over. Hey guys, it's Vanessa and today I am here with another awesome interview with...
Hi guys, it's Liam O'Callaghan here, also known as Master Lim.
And today I'm going to be asking him, or he's going to be sharing his 3 ways of how to live a life of full, true fulfillment. And I'm super excited because he's my Irish best friend.
Yes.
He's my Irish best friend.
And she's my curly bop best friend.
So first of all, just to start things off so people don't watch the video and act like it's just an Irish guy that I'm interviewing, so what do you actually do?
Okay, so first of all, I am an entrepreneur, international speaker and a digital marketer as well. I broke into this industry back about a year ago and it's just been super transformational. The life that I was living back then to the life that I'm living right now is like nothing you've ever seen before, and I'm just really grateful to be able to share this with you here today and with your viewers, and to possibly help influence as many people as I possibly can across the channel.
So how long have you been doing digital marketing and international speaking for?
Well, I guess 2 years ago, whenever I was 19, I started into the whole entrepreneurial side of things. That's whenever I first dipped my feet in the water, if you like to say, and it was really interesting. It was a very transformational journey for me, being someone who was brought up in a very small Irish town with potatoes and spuds, right, and going through the process of school and expected to go to university and college after that, and I chose to not venture down that route. And the reason simply is because I wasn't aligned with that vision. I knew that I had something much more bigger to give, and I knew I wanted to go out there and impact more people, and I knew I wanted to learn business from people who had results and not learn business from people who have never ran a business before.
So what was the first thing or the first big step that you took in order to live the life of fulfillment that you are living now, speaking on stages globally and doing digital marketing and being highly successful at it? What do you think the first thing was for other people to live their life of fulfillment?
I guess the first thing for me, right from the bottom of my core, was choosing to be happy now. Not whenever I've got the results, not whenever I've got that big thing in 5 years time from now, 10 years time from now. Choosing to be happy right now and accepting where you are in life right now and really working and building towards that. That's honestly been the biggest takeaway for me.
So that was absolutely incredible value. So once you've chosen to be happy, what do you think your second tip was, or to the viewers out there, what the second tip would be to living their life of fulfillment?
Really get yourself out there. Now, what do I mean whenever I say that? Well, you are interviewing somebody who used to be afraid of a camera, who was afraid to post on social media, who was scared to have a conversation with someone. Although whenever I get into my comfort zone and with the people that I'm around, I can be very loud and I can be very out there. However, I knew I needed to step out of that comfort zone that I was living of security, and I knew that I needed to get out there and network with people. And that's one biggest tip that I would give to anybody listening here, is that you don't know the power of networking. It's been the most transformational thing for me, and the relationships that I've built in such a short time frame. I can go to people now regarding digital marketing, regarding art, regarding social media, regarding franchising. There's people well within my list of contacts that I know that I can just pick up the phone in the morning and have an answer for anything. And then you also are able to gift your skills and services and your products to be able to help them. And from making that big impact out there on social media, from posting daily, from making YouTube videos, from posting daily content on Facebook, Instagram stories, keeping up with the social media trends. And the people will probably ask why? It's because you're building up a trust and rapport and connection with your audience.
So what do you think your third tip would be? And usually if you watch most of my interview videos, that the third tip is basically what they leave this video and they feel completely empowered to do what they need to do. So what's the third tip to completely living the life you love, living the lifestyle that you love to do? What is the third tip?
Biggest one for me, and it's been the most transformational step that I've taken in my journey, and it is to get yourself around the right people. Now, so many people take that lightly whenever I say that, and whenever I say that off stage, they say, get yourself around the right people, go out there and network with people. That's not what I'm talking about. I'll tell you what I've done personally, and I'm not saying this is for everybody to do. I packed my suitcase the whole way from Ireland, put everything in that I had there, and I got up and I made that move over to the UK to surround myself with these people who've got the results that I want, who live and breathe positivity, energy and enthusiasm, who live and breathe business, who are all about health, who are all about well-being. And I knew I needed to be around that network. And I'm not saying go out there and cut yourself away from all your friends and family, because I remember having that. I remember being surrounded by negativity, being surrounded by people who couldn't see my big vision and my big dream and my big goals that I had. The ones that called me crazy, right? The ones that said you're trying to make a difference. And I knew if I kept myself in that same rat race over and over and over again, nothing was going to change, until I bit the bullet and I said to myself, let's do this, let's go. And the moment and hour that I got on that one-way flight over here, I didn't know what was going to happen. I didn't know what the future had in store for me. I didn't know where I was going. I didn't know what life it was that I was going to be living. But I can tell you right now, from trusting your intuition and having that trust within yourself and knowing that you're going out there to look after yourself, but you're going out there with purpose to help other people whilst looking after yourself, that has been the biggest shift of my life. And some people say, oh Liam, but like, you might see that as selfish, or you might see that as like, you know, you're looking after yourself first. But I honestly, truly believe from the bottom of my heart, and this is the best piece of advice I've ever learned, is that you need to look after yourself first of all before you can choose to look after other people.
I totally agree with what you're saying, and obviously only this interview gives them all of the information, but not exactly all of it. So if anybody wants to learn more about you, or wants to meet you at any time, or see you, or just learn about more of what you do, where can they find you?
I'm on all social media platforms as is now that I know, and I'll just give you actually two of them. So Facebook, you can find me at Liam O'Callaghan, and I think Vanessa will put the link somewhere down here, or
just right here,
right there somewhere. Or Instagram, a big one, very active on Instagram as well. You can find me at Master Lim Official. For those of you who didn't pick that up, again, Inspiring V is going to put that right there for you. Go follow me right now, and on YouTube as well as Master Lim as well. So there's vlogs coming there featuring this one as well. So yeah, be sure to check it out, and always reach out to me, drop me a message, drop me a PM with any questions at any area of your life that I can help you with.
Awesome. So thank you all for watching this video. I think we both really enjoyed it, and obviously Liam has, in his busy life, in his busy time, he has come here to sit down and give all this information to you guys. So please give this video a huge thumbs up, and also subscribe to both of our channels. I'll put his channel in the I button over there.
And a big thank you to you as well for taking your time out as well. You're awesome too.
And also don't forget to click the bell in the corner to get notified every single time I post a new video, every single Friday and Wednesday. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!
See ya!